What's up, guys? 7-Star Mike here, and tonight I want to show you a simple support and resistance trade on my absolute favorite ticker, Twitter. If you've seen my videos before, or if you've heard me in the Discord chat room that I'm in, you will know that I absolutely love Twitter. Why? Small accounts, they're relatively inexpensive contracts. Bigger accounts, they're relatively liquid, so depending on your account, you can adjust it to make it work for you. Any given day, even without this crazy volatility we've been seeing lately, any given day, you can see 20, 30, 40, 50% gains. Today, I'm going to show you a really quick 35% gain setup that is easy to use, and you can find them every day. Let's go check out Twitter. All right, so let's check this out. This is Twitter. This is today on a 1-minute chart. I am a scalper and day trader, so my charts are always 1 minute for my entries and exits. And if we look over here, we saw some support earlier on in the day. We had a nice little pop there, and when we gave it back, we stopped at that exact same point. So this is going to be a support line we're looking for it to break. We do climb a little bit. We can't make higher highs as we get stuck over here and we start climbing down again. So what I'm looking for is a break of this particular level, and this point where I have this green line, that's the first candle that opens below that line. That level was 26.11. So we're going to say $26 puts expiring this week. And that's going to be our entry. Now, why do I have the line over here? This is the first candle that opens above the 34 exponential moving average. If you've seen my videos before, you'll see that I like to use this 34 exponential moving average as a guide. This candle here, that's the first one that closed above the 34. Then you can see it's starting to curl upwards. So that might be a good indication to watch the trade. You can watch to see what's going on here to see if it breaks this level of prior support, which it didn't, so you could have stayed in the trade, but I'm giving you kind of the worst case scenario. Where's the first point you can exit this and still feel good about it? That's the level right there. So let's take a look at the contracts. This is the point where it crossed below that support line. This was 158 for that $26 put. And this line here, that lines up with where we were exiting based on the 34 exponential moving average cross. That is 214. So 158 to 214, that is a 35% gain. You can see it did give some back, and then it did go on to make a high of 277. But I'm not going to be unrealistic here and say, well, you should have held until the very last candle of the day. You could have if this was going to be a swing, but I am a scalper and day trader, so I'm looking to get out and secure profits the same day. What does this trade look like? But before we do that, quick reminder, if you like seeing trade setups like this and like little tips and tricks on how to improve your trading, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've traded Twitter, if you like the ticker. Let me know how you've done with trading support and resistance. And now let's go check out those results. Here we go, 35% gain. If you have a small account, a single contract would have cost you $158 in capital for $56 profit. If you have a little bit bigger account, 3 contracts would have got $474 cost to generate $168 in profit. Let's say you have a little bit of a bigger account, 5, 10, 20 contracts, depending on your account size and risk tolerance, $790 in capital would give you $280 in profit. Now, let's take a look at this. $280 in profit. If you can do that one trade every single day, we multiply that times 250 trading days a year, boom, $70,000 of income every year just for pushing a mouse button and learning this skill called day trading. So, is that something you can do? Is that a realistic setup you can trade? And are these realistic numbers you can generate? Absolutely. Thanks for watching, and let's go grab those profits.